Anterior pulmonary auscultation. Please take a deep breath through your nose and breathe out through your mouth. Supraclavicular region, subclavicular region, in the same areas where we perform percussion, bilateral, symmetrical, and we will end up with the lateral thorax.